Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your game is updated and any event flags needed are active. Once done, prepare a surfing and flying capable team to reach secluded locations without delays. Next, check Mystery Gift and NPCs who previously distributed event items. Some Azure Flute access depends on story progression or event triggers. From this point, head to the Sinnoh locations that become available only after key badges, and be ready to trigger the specific event sequence. You travel to the event site, often the Spear Pillar or a shrine unlocked post-Elite 4. Once there, interact with the glowing altar or pedestal. This action typically triggers the scripted cutscene that grants access to the Azure Flute. Make sure to approach after the in-game time or condition is met, because many versions gate the event. Save beforehand to avoid losing progress. After the interaction, watch the sequence. The flute or its event start will appear as a reward or invitation. You claim the Azure Flute when prompted and immediately open your key items to confirm receipt. If the flute does not appear, reload your pre-event save and repeat the trigger. Timing and story flags matter, so make sure conditions are identical. Also recheck Mystery Gift and event compatibility for your cartridge or digital copy. Patched versions sometimes alter availability. One key troubleshooting tip: if transfers or trades removed event flags, restore from the original save or reobtain missing prerequisites.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.